security officer hindi mo mahanap. Tama po ba? Tama
Ask
po ba,
and
ma'am?
answer,
Yes
Your
or no?
Honor.
Yes or no? This is a premise to the next question, Your Honor.
Witness may answer, counsel.
Yes or no?
Pakisagot po, Ma'am Gina. Kung hindi niyo po naunawaan, paulit niyo po yung
Wala
tanong.
sa Circular 2015-01 nakasulat dyan na po pwedeng si Colonel Lachica as security officer yung mag-disburse ng confidential funds. Wala dyan. Wala dyan. Yes or no?
Wala, Your Honor.
So therefore, we are left with only the remaining reason why you gave the confidential funds to Colonel Lachica. Kasi yan. You said yung pangalawang rason.
Hindi, dalawang rason po ang ibig sabihin ko, sir.
Okay, ma'am, no question yet. Hindi po tayo nag-aaway.
Yes po.
You gave the 125 million pesos kasi utos ni VP Sara sa'yo. Tama po ba?
Isa po yan sa rason, sir.
Yes or no?
Ask and
Yes.
answer, Your Honor.
Despite nothing
Let the witness
in the
answer.
circular. Yes or no?
Argumentative and ask and
I
answer,
will ask
Your
this
Honor.
question.
Please answer the question, Madam Witness. It's quite easy to answer.
Unsa to, sir?
Despite
Ano
not
po?
being in the circular na po pwedeng sila chika yung mag-disburse ng confidential funds, binigay mo pa rin sa kanya. Tama po ba?
Dili na ko ihatag, Your Honor, kung wala siya gi-appoint nga security officer, Your Honor.
Or
That's
is
her
it-
interpretation, counsel.
Yes.
That's her interpretation and reason why she gave it to Colonel Lachica.
Or is it because you cannot dare question the Vice President's instruction?
Objection, Your Honor,
There is
argumentative.
more than
I
willing
would
to answer that.
sustain it because it was asked and answered already. She gave two reasons, counsel. Number one, that Colonel Lachica is the one who knows how to implement it. Tama po. And number two, dahil inutos sa kanya ng Vice President bilang head of agency. Tama po, Ma'am Gina?
Tama po, Your
Yun
Honor.
po yung dalawang rason ba't niyo binigay kay Colonel Lachica.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Now,